Anil joins us on this leg of the show to answer your insurance questions. Anil, our first question comes in from Ashish, who writes in saying both of his parents are senior citizens. His father is 78 and his mother is 66. He wants to know which health insurance company will provide them a cover that covers their pre-existing illnesses as well. He also wants to know how much the premium is going to cost him for that policy. Anil.
Ashish, your father's age is fairly advanced in terms of, 78. So not too many companies will cover him at that age. The only two plans which are available at his age that you can consider for health insurance are the Max Bupa and the National Insurance's Varisht Mediclaim. In your mother's case, you can consider two additional plans, which is the Bajaj Allianz Silver Health Plan and the Star Health Red Carpet Plan. These are the four plans for senior citizens that I would ask you to look at. What you have to consider is that the Max Bupa plan, for instance, has a minimum sum assured of 2 lakhs, and there's a waiting period of 4 years for pre-existing illnesses, whereas the National Insurance Varisht Mediclaim only has a 1-year waiting period. So those are two things that you need to keep in your mind. If you consider the Bajaj Allianz plan for your mother, keep in mind that they will only cover 50% of any claim arising out of pre-existing illness, even after the waiting period. So these are the things that you need to keep in mind.
Alright, Anil, our last question comes in from Rishi, who tells us he bought a health insurance plan last year. This year, he was diagnosed with a thyroid problem. Now, he wants to know if he should disclose this new ailment to his insurer. Is it going to hike up his premium? And if he doesn't disclose it, will it cause problems later? Anil.
Rishi, a valid question from your side. You've declared correctly for your wife. I would suggest you should never misdeclare when renewing a policy. In your case, do complete the form completely. Give the right information. If you've been diagnosed with an illness or if you've made a claim, whether on this policy or any other policy, declare it completely to the insurer, because like you rightly suspect, in the event that you misdeclare, the insurance company, if they find out, can decline your claim. And you certainly don't want that. As far as the rating up of the policy is concerned, certainly if you have incurred a disease, it is possible that at the time of renewal, the underwriters may ask for an additional premium. Whether they can decline to renew or not depends really on your policy that you have already taken. Some policies in India have a guaranteed renewal, in which case they can only rate up but they can't decline to renew. Certain other policies leave this to the underwriter to determine whether the risk will be taken on renewal or not. Having said which, having been diagnosed with a thyroid type of problem, until unless you have other complications, may or may not result in a severe rating up or a decline. I think what you should do is go to your insurer, declare it completely, and then see what rates they offer you.
Alright, remember, being completely honest with your insurer will make sure you don't have trouble with any of your claims in the future.